This is the app I've been using, Edits for Instagram, and I click on the app and then this takes me to my projects, which is the middle button. It's those 4 squares right there in the middle. When I'm ready to upload a video, I click on the plus sign, I hit gallery, and then I decide which video I want to do. So this one I'm just going to create really quickly for you guys to see what it looks like, and this is just going to be a morning routine video that I'm going to create. So I've got a few videos that I recorded this morning from my backyard and watering my plants. So I'm just going to select all the videos that I want, hit the checkbox. It's coming up with an error, but that's fine. Now, a few different things you can do from here. You can start to shorten the length or lengthen the videos however you want to make them. Each little white blip here is a transition. So you can decide if you want to put a transition between videos. It gives you an idea of what that'll look like. You can make it longer or shorter, the transition. You can make it fade out longer or shorter. Depends on what you're looking for, what the effect is. I'm going to go ahead and shorten that just a little bit. And you can see, just click and drag and you see how many seconds it will appear. So this one should be fine if I do just 1.3 seconds. This one, I'm going to do the same, 1.3 seconds. This is a video, I think. Yeah, this is a video. So I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter, not much shorter, just maybe like kind of see the end there. That's fine. And then I'll add a transition there, the same transition. I'm going to turn off the volume because there's volume in the background, and I'm going to apply that to all clips because I'm going to put some audio in the background. So now we go to these flowers. All right, just watering my flowers. Backyard, so pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to cut out the end here because my pool skimmer is in the background there. It's not cute. I'm just going to take it out up until there. There we go. And then this one, it looks fine coming from there all the way to the end. And then I think I'm going to add some text there to the end, like maybe, we'll see. Okay, so now we know it's 41 seconds. Now I'm going to add audio. So I'm going to go to the beginning. And when you click on audio, I usually use Texas Sun whenever I'm doing a morning video. And then make sure it just ends at the end of your video, that it's not longer than your actual video. And most of these clips don't go longer than 60 seconds anyway. So your videos really can't be longer than 60 seconds. All right, and then I'm going to speed up all of my actual videos. I don't want them to be normal speed. I want them to be at least 5. And it's just saying it's going to take out all my audio, which is fine. So 5, speed, 5, speed. I wish I could just apply it to all, but I can't, unfortunately. And then 5. And I like doing little videos like this just because it gives you an opportunity to create some good quotes or just something that you heard. And it's quick. Like this one, I made it like 11 seconds, which I might be able to make it a little bit longer than that. Maybe I'll change the speed to like 1.5 or 2. Let's try 2 to make it a little bit longer. All right. So 1.5 for all the videos. The pictures will stay the same, and then we're just going to fade out. And I'm going to do another video. Okay, there we go. Let's watch it.
You say you like the wind blowing.
All right, I'm here to each of these. There's that one. I think there's another one.